Thou leather jerkin, crystal button, knot-pated, agate ring, puke stocking, caddis garter, smooth-tongued Spanish pouch. Yes, okay, so we can't all be as good at insults as Shakespeare was. Even so, it would be nice if some of the insults that people left on YouTube, not to mention X and Blue Sky and all those other social media places, were at least, well, entertaining to read. I never forget a face, Groucho Marx is reputed to have said. But in your case, I'd be glad to make an exception. Now, if only the insults on YouTube were that good. Instead, they're mostly things like, you're stupid, you're old, you're fat, you're ugly. The more literate insulters might phrase these in the form of rhetorical questions. How can anybody be so stupid? Or, were you born ugly, or did you just have to work at it? Now, I've had my fair share of insults in the YouTube comments from time to time. At first I thought maybe there was something unusually objectionable about me that inspired people with an irresistible urge to abuse me, but then I started reading through the comments under other people's videos, and disappointingly I discovered that many people get even more and nastier insults than I do. Now, if you're new to making YouTube videos, by the way, don't be discouraged if you get insulting comments. Remember what Oscar Wilde said, "Whenever people agree with me, I always feel that I must be wrong." Oscar Wilde, of course, was not only gifted with an immense appreciation of his own talents, but was also a master of the witty insult. Speaking of an acquaintance, he once said, "He has no enemies, but is intensely disliked by his friends." Now, frankly, I take it as a compliment to be the subject of an insult of that calibre. Ah, if only Oscar Wilde had made it to the YouTube generation. On YouTube, when people can't think of a good insult, the easy way out is to accuse the video of being clickbait. Now, I'd always thought clickbait was something that claimed one thing but delivered something totally different. For example, the headline might say, "Single moms, one weird trick to whiter teeth that dentists don't want you to know," but when you click it, the video is actually an advertisement for an online gambling site. Yeah, that definitely is clickbait. But some YouTube commenters will claim a video is clickbait if they just don't like it. I remember one comment that said of one of my videos it was clickbait because I hadn't answered the question posed in its title within the first 3 minutes. 3 minutes? When I was at university, some of the lecturers took more than 3 minutes just to blow their noses, then another 3 minutes to flick through their notes, and we were lucky if they got onto the subject of the lecture, well, after half an hour. As for actually answering any questions, I think they would have felt that it was beneath their dignity. Incidentally, if the person who left that comment about the 3-minute thing had only hung around a bit longer, he'd have discovered that the 4th minute of my video had everything anyone could have ever wanted, and more besides: action, adventure, excitement, foot-tapping melodies, and the answer to the ultimate question, which may or may not have been 42. YouTube viewers are notoriously impatient. It's well known that many viewers watch videos for only a few seconds before clicking away. About 77% of views are of videos under a minute long. People who've made a study of YouTube claim that most videos are watched by most people for less than a minute. To grab a viewer's attention, you need to speak very quickly and make sure that something dramatic happens within the first few seconds, hence the amazingly exciting start to this video. Except, of course, it wasn't exciting at all. So if you feel cheated by that, feel free to leave a rude comment. But don't just tell me I'm stupid, old and ugly. I know that already. Be more inventive. Here's another Groucho Marx insult from the film Duck Soup. Talking about Chico Marx's character, Groucho says that he may look like an idiot and talk like an idiot,
but don't let that fool you. He really is an idiot.
That's the quality of insult I'd love to see under my videos. So look upon it as a challenge. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please click the link down below, and I'll be back soon with something completely different.